Banach again to Inzi Gil. Greetings again to Learn Manx, a series of short introductory videos to the Manx language. And in this one, we're going to be mixing up the future tense, okay, using be, which is the future of the verb to be, vami, I was, tami, I am, beam, I will be, and ni and hajin, the future of the verb to do or to make, which is jinu, which we've met in the past tense as ren. And again, very important with this, you need to use it with verbs. Okay, well, kissed out, Hayley.
Oh, Tammy Gullis Gargan.
Yin the sack. Merach, tomorrow. Be you unstoolish, Merach?
Habi means stoolish.
Cred visu, Merach?
Well, Bimun's Ballycastro.
Okay, mile you. As cred vis mananin, Merach?
Well, Habi unstoolish. B.A. uns Ballykillion.
Oh, it's Ballykillion. Yin the sack. As cred vis Joni, Merach?
B uns Potlamora.
Uns Potlamora. Be uns Creneish?
B.A.
Yeah, Smai Shed.
B uns Creneish.
Yeah. As Jinu Chapel, Merach?
Hajinim.
Okay, Smai. Jin Joni Chapel, Merach?
Ni a Chapel Mera.
Okay, yin the sack. As cre ni mananin merach. What shall mananin do tomorrow? Cre ni mananin merach.
Ni a Chapel uns Rumser.
Uns Rumser. Oh, yin the sack. As jin ri gori Chapel uns Rumser merach.
Hajine Chapel uns Rumser merach.
Okay, Jine Chapel merach.
Hajin.
Okay, Smai Shen. As Jinu Jikaner and Chelveish merach.
Hajinim Jikaner Chelveish merach. B.
Oh, ni. Well, Jin Joni Jikaner and Chelveish merach.
Fuddy.
Fuddy, perhaps. Fuddy, mildly. As Jin Mananin Jikaner and Chelveish merach.
Ni a Jikaner Chelveish merach.
Yin the sack. As Jinu Gi Bonig merach.
Oh, Nim Gi Bonig merach.
Yin the sack. Well, Sinead, from this lesson, looking at the future using be and ni. It's quite difficult lesson. It takes a lot of practice to get used to, but just try and think. We use be predominantly with adjectives, skurit, in Douglas, unstoolish, manra, etc. And ni and hajin, which is a negative, with verbs, and that's quite important. So nim govrika merach, I shall work tomorrow. Hajinim gu ushtavei merach, I shall not drink whiskey tomorrow. Ak beam, I will be beam unstoolish merach. Takes a bit of practice to get used to, but you'll get there in the end. Guramide Hayley.
Shade the way.